Let me show you quickly how to create a ROAS report coming from all your ad channels, and then set it up so that you get an email every Monday morning with all the metrics you need from all your ad channels. So I've got a spreadsheet open inside of Airboxer, and I've got this hop is an automation hop called Daily ROAS report here. I'm going to hit the run button. It's already set up for 30 days, so let's go with that and hit the run button. Let me just move this out of the way. We have all the data from Google ads, Facebook ads, TikTok ads, as well as Shopify sales, all in one spreadsheet. We've also calculated the marketing efficiency ratio here. Within each of these ad channels, you will see the spend, the total sales, and the ROAS. Now let's set up a schedule for this to run automatically. Gonna hit this button here, just confirming that, okay, I want to run this on sheet 3. Now I'm going to set up a schedule where it runs every Monday at 8 a.m. and sends me an email whenever this runs, and I hit this button, schedule hop. Every Monday morning, it's going to run again for the last 30 days and send me an email with a link to this spreadsheet. And I basically never have to download a spreadsheet again. So try it out yourself and let me know how it goes.